Beautiful place. I am from Kerala.
Okay.
So how-
you first time in Kerala
Very
and visit all the tourist places.
Okay.
Okay. So how is the experience your Shillong?
So your experience in Shillong? Shillong में अभी आया है.
Just
काशी में नाम है.
अच्छा लगा आपको?
बहुत अच्छा लगा, हम लोगों ने बहुत अच्छे से एंजॉय किया शिलोंग। न्यू ईयर के लिए हम लोग आए हैं स्पेशली, काफ़ी अच्छा एंजॉय कर रहे हैं। हाँ, अभी यहाँ पे हम लोगों ने शिलोंग घूम लिया है, अभी हम लोग चेरापूंजी जा रहे हैं घूमने के लिए। हाँ, फर्स्ट टाइम शिलोंग आए हैं।
अच्छा लगा आपको?
बहुत अच्छा लगा, बहुत एंजॉय किया हम लोग, बहुत अच्छा है, सब बहुत अच्छा है यहाँ।
It's first time in my life here. Although I worked 10 years in Kolkata, but I haven't get chance to here. We came here 2 days back with my family, and we enjoyed the entire this Meghalaya, Cherrapunji and Dauki. Yesterday we were, and really the scene, whatever I have saw here, that and the excitement of the people is very good. And here the 21st December we are here waiting for the celebration evenings, and we wish all the Happy New Year to all your viewers. Thank you for giving this chance.
Very nice. It's all colorful, nicely decorated, very beautiful to see. It's a very good experience. Always coming to Shillong is very nice feeling, but at the year end and Christmas time, it's very beautiful. Happy New Year to everybody.
Check.